Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to download and get set up the iOS-based Phantom mobile wallet so that you can manage your Solana tokens, and your Solana-based NFTs. So let's get started. All right, so I'm here on the Phantom website. This is where you can learn more about the Phantom wallet. It's one of the most popular wallets for managing Solana and Solana-based NFTs. If you go to download from the home page, it's going to take you over to this page where you can download the desktop or the iOS-based wallet. Now, they are going to be having an Android-based wallet, so keep your eyes open for that. I believe that's coming around early March of 2022. And if we click this link, it's going to take us over to the iOS download page. All right, so I've got my phone here for you. This is the Solana wallet. We'll hit get. We'll just get that set up and installed on our phone. All right, so when you get to this page, you're going to have to make a choice. Either you already have an existing wallet that you can import, or you can create a brand new wallet. If you've never done this before, of course, you're going to create a brand new wallet, so I'll walk you through that part first. We'll just click this button here that says Create New Wallet. I'm going to go ahead and enable the biometrics on this. I'll allow Phantom Wallet to use my Face ID, and that makes getting in and out of the wallet easier and more secure. All right, now the next thing you'll see here is a recovery phrase. This is very important. The private key for this wallet is going to be stored on your phone, and you're going to want to back this up in case the phone is lost or damaged. This phrase will allow you to restore your wallet if anything happens to your phone. So as I mentioned, the private key for this wallet is stored on your device. It's stored on your phone. So it's only as secure as you keep your phone. So make sure you enable all of the security features of your phone. Make sure you keep an eye on your phone and don't lose it. If you lose your phone, the security features of your phone should keep attackers out of this wallet, and you can simply get a new phone and use this recovery phrase to restore your wallet and gain access to all of your crypto. So, phrase is very important. Let's go ahead and get it written down. I encourage you to write it down on a piece of paper and hide it in a very safe place. You can do more than that if you want to create multiple copies and hide them in different locations. You can also use a metal-based product like crypto steel or something like that if you want to store your recovery phrase on a more durable medium. But the important thing is to write it down and keep it in a safe place. So I'll go ahead and take care of that. All right, so I went ahead and wrote my phrase down. I'd like to stress that you should write legibly. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure you write everything down legibly so that you can read your writing. Make sure you don't misspell any of these words. And also, note that the words are numbered, and that number order is very important. So if you're writing them down on a piece of paper, I would suggest that you write numbers next to each word and make sure that you've got the numbers written down correctly and that they correspond to each of these words. All right, so let's go ahead and tap I saved it somewhere. They're going to warn you once again that this is very important. All right, and there we go. We've got the wallet completely set up now. We'll hit get started. All right, now an alternate way to set up this wallet, if you already have a wallet somewhere else, is to choose I already have a wallet. You can enable Face ID, and then in this case, you would enter a 12 or 24 word recovery phrase for whatever Solana-based wallet you already have. You can enter the recovery phrase here and gain access to that wallet in the mobile Phantom wallet, in which case you would simply enter the 12-word recovery phrase of that wallet. Right? And now you could do this from a desktop-based wallet or a mobile-based wallet. I'll just demo real quick. I've got a mobile-based Solflare wallet that's got about 0.5 Solana in it. And there is a mnemonic phrase for this wallet. Now, I already have it written down on a piece of paper, but if you had lost that, you could always go over here and choose and check it on your phone. But in my case, I have it written down on a piece of paper. So I'd like to show you how that works. I'd simply write that 12-word recovery phrase in here. Remember, the words are numbered. But just remember when you do this that you'll want to put a space in between each word, and you don't need to hit return at all. Just put each word with a space, and it'll automatically fill up this box for you. All right, and once you're done with your 12 words, or 24, you can hit Import Secret Recovery Phrase. All right, in the case of my Solflare wallet, there's only one account I need to worry about, right? And then I'll hit Import Selected Accounts, and then I'm all done. And we've got the wallet all set up, and I've successfully imported that account into my Phantom wallet. Notice it's still set up in my other wallet. It didn't automatically delete the other wallet, but actually now both wallets have access to the same private key, right? And you might want to do this because Phantom Wallet is a little more versatile, right? And you can see even the history of the wallet imports in, right? So you can either set up a brand new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet into this Phantom wallet. It's pretty good. You can also add additional wallets if you want to. You can create brand new wallets or import private keys from other wallets. You can manage more than just one wallet here. And there we go. You've got yourself an empty wallet. Now, I'm going to show you how to put a little Solana in here. But before I do that, let's just check the settings. So up here at the top left in the hamburger menu, you can explore some of the settings here. There's a wallet interface. You can actually manage more than one wallet in this interface. And if we look down at the bottom, you'll see the little gear shift icon where you can get into the fine settings here. You can change the wallet name, so it doesn't have to be named Wallet 1. You can just call it Wallet Main or anything else that makes sense to you, or My Wallet, whatever you like. All right, you've got the language settings here. You can actually add addresses that you send Solana or Solana-based tokens to, or NFTs on a regular basis. Make things a little easier for yourself. Right, there's a trusted app setting for apps that you're friendly with, maybe some NFT sites or something like that. There's the Face ID authentication toggle. And then we've got our network. You're going to want to stay on the main network here because you're going to be storing real Solana in this wallet. You don't want to put Solana in a test net wallet. All right, and then you also have the export private key feature down here. And you're able to actually look at your recovery phrase again if you would like. So exporting the private key is another way of backing up the wallet. A little trickier, but also a good way to keep the wallet backed up. All right, they also have this reset secret recovery phrase. I wouldn't want to do this if you have a balance in the wallet. This will remove all of the existing wallets. So you can't really do this on an existing wallet that has a balance, right? This is for resetting the entire wallet if for whatever reason you want to do that. All right, now that we've got the wallet renamed and we've checked all the settings, let's put some Solana in this wallet. All we need to do is hit deposit. Now they have some links here for some Solana-based exchanges. We'll check those out. I'll go ahead and start with Coinbase, which is one of the easiest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges out there. I find it really easy to use. So I can just go over to my, in fact, I'll put this wallet in my wallets folder on my phone. All right, so I'll have access to it when I need it. I can go over to my Coinbase account. I'll deposit a little money in my account. And I'll use that to buy about $100 worth of Solana tokens. All right, once I get the money deposited in my account, I can go ahead and trade for Solana. All right, so we can just go over here to trade, hit Solana, US dollar. I'll go ahead and buy Solana on a market, and I'll go ahead and use the money that I just put in there. All right, now that I have the Solana in my wallet, I can go ahead and make a withdrawal to a crypto address, which will be our new Solana wallet, our Phantom wallet. All right, so I'll just slide back over to the Phantom wallet. And all I really need is the address of my wallet. I can get that up at the top there next to the name of the wallet. I can just tap up there and see how it gets copied into my clipboard. I'll just slide back over to my Coinbase account, and then I'll paste that address in there. All right, now you'll see that Coinbase indicates that that wallet address is a valid Sol address. As you can see, the network fees for withdrawing Sol are very cheap. It's one of the great advantages of the Sol cryptocurrency. We'll go ahead and hit withdraw. And then I'll put in my two-factor code for this. Go over to my Google Authenticator. I can slide back over and just paste that code in to Coinbase and make my withdrawal. We'll hit done there. All right, and then we can just monitor the wallet over here. All right, you can see it doesn't take very long for Sol to transfer over from your cryptocurrency exchange into your wallet. And if you tap on the Solana balance there, you see that they have staking features in this Phantom wallet. That's pretty cool. Notice they have a long list of validators that you can use for staking your Sol tokens in this wallet. I encourage you to go through and do your research and find a validator that is right for you so that you can stake your Sol right in this wallet and earn passive income. Now there are other ways to purchase Sol, right? If we go to deposit, you see they have some other features that come up here like MoonPay, for example. If you click on that, it's going to take you over to the MoonPay, right? And you can see they've filled in a default there. You don't necessarily need to buy $300 worth. They've already put that in there. Let's see what their minimum is. 0.33 Sol. So even $100 would probably be enough too, right? But they've put the default in there as 300. So in order to do this, of course, you'll need to get signed up for MoonPay, right? You'll get an account set up just like you would any other cryptocurrency exchange, right? They'll send you a code so that you can get yourself set up, and then you can use MoonPay to buy your Solana if you like. Right? They also have an FTX link. If you want to get signed up for an FTX account, FTX is another cryptocurrency exchange that you can set up an account and purchase Sol. This interface here makes it pretty easy to buy Sol directly through these cryptocurrency exchanges, right? Because they've already got a default order set up for you to make a purchase of Sol directly. Notice too, if you tap on the Solana icon down there, you also have the ability to share this address. So you can send your Solana address to someone else that may want to send you Solana, or you can share it with yourself on your desktop if you feel more comfortable purchasing and processing your Solana withdrawals on your desktop computer. And so it's a really easy, convenient way to store, manage your Solana balance. Now notice down there at the bottom there are several other features to this wallet. Those double arrows in the center will take you to a trading interface where you can actually swap Solana-based tokens. So for example, if you wanted to sell part of your Solana, you could exchange that for US dollar coin. This is Solana-based US dollar coin, right? But you also have some other Solana-based coins that you can trade for, like Serum, for example. And this is swapping your coins right on the phone, right in the wallet, right? And there we go. And then if we go back to the wallet, you can see that I have two different tokens in the wallet now. So it's more than just a storage wallet, right? You can actually swap Solana-based tokens right in the Phantom wallet. That lightning bolt down in the lower right corner is your recent activity, so you can see the history of the wallet. Now you can also store your NFT collectibles in this wallet as well. The four square are your NFT collectibles. So I'm going to show you how to transfer a collectible into this wallet. And I'll do it from a desktop-based wallet. So what I'm going to do here is hit deposit, and then I'll share that address. I'll hit that Solana wallet there. I'll share that address with myself. And what that's going to do is give me access to my Solana address for this wallet from my desktop. So I'll just leave the phone app open, and I'll go over to my Solflare wallet. And the first thing I'm going to need is that address of my Phantom wallet. All right, so all I need to do is check my email, and I'll get that address that I need, copy that into my clipboard. Let's go back over to this wallet, and I'll go over to my collectibles that I have in Solflare, and I'll go ahead and just send one of these sample NFTs. Right, I'll choose Send NFT, and then I'll paste in the address that I got from my email. All right, I can't really tick these boxes because I purchased this from the original owner, so I don't have full rights for this. But I'll go ahead and send this over. All right, and then I'm just going to confirm this on my Ledger device. And off it goes. We can just watch our Phantom wallet over here and wait for the collectible to arrive in the wallet. You can even do a refresh here. All right, and you can see that the collectible has arrived in my Phantom wallet. So now I can manage my NFTs in this wallet if I want to. That's pretty cool. I can even tap on the NFT and get more information about the NFT, the type and all that stuff, and then I can even send it to a different wallet if I want to. So I'll show you some wallet-to-wallet transfers. I've got the Solflare wallet here on my desktop. I've got the address of my Phantom wallet in my clipboard now. Let's go ahead and send a little bit of Solana. We'll send half a Solana there, and we'll paste in that address. All right, and then I'm going to need to sign that with my Ledger. There's a Ledger-based account, so I'll take care of that. And off it goes. All right, and then we can look here. We can see that the Solana came in from my other wallet, my Solflare wallet. So in addition to being able to deposit and manage Solana and swap Solana for other Solana-based tokens and store your NFTs in this wallet, you can even transfer Solana-based tokens from other wallets into this as well as the NFTs. So I'll show you how to do that from the Solflare wallet. I can go back over to my Solflare wallet and then choose one of my Solana-based tokens. I'll choose this small amount of tokens I have here. I'll hit send, and then I'll just put in the full amount in this case. And then I'll paste in the address of my Phantom iOS-based wallet. Now, I don't have this token enabled in my recipient wallet, but they will allow this. I can click this to allow it to show up in the wallet. I'll hit send. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this on my Ledger device. And off that token goes. All right, and if we go back to the wallet, just pull down here, and the token shows up in my wallet, right? You can add tokens down here in the token managed list. If you just tap on that, there's a lot of Solana-based tokens that you may wish to manage in this wallet as well. You can even search for them Like for example, if I wanted to search for Solrise token, I'll see it here and then I can enable it so that you can see it in your wallet even if you have an empty balance. Makes it easy to send and receive tokens. You can also use dApps if you go over here to the URL section. You can even Google things. Right? You can just go over here and make trades and purchases. Now I should warn you before you go to any of these sites using the URL function that there are links that are you might find when you Google that are not the correct website. So you want to double check every website that you go to. Check the URL, make sure you're on the correct website and not some faux site that looks like it or is slightly misspelled, right? You always want to make sure that you're on the correct website when you go to these. So we can go to a collection, we can tap, and then go down to a specific item that you may have your eye on. And when we do connect wallet, we're going to choose Phantom. And then we'll allow the site to connect to our Phantom wallet. And now, if I had 27 Sol in my wallet, I would be able to make this purchase. Of course, I don't have that much in there. But once you get the wallet connected, you'll be able to do this. Right, you'll notice I don't have enough money in wallet to do this. But it's a great way to buy NFTs on the fly. And like I said, just make sure that you're connected to the correct site so that you don't buy some kind of scam NFT. Now, if you want to send out from this wallet, you can do that as well. So I'll show you how to do that. You can send it back to an exchange if you want to sell. For example, if I wanted to make a deposit into my Coinbase account, I could go over here to deposit and then choose Sol. And they're going to give me a QR code, which works pretty well with the Phantom wallet. So I can just tap on my Solana and choose send. And then you see that little icon over on the side there where I can open up the camera. Right, go ahead and give Phantom access to the camera. I can scan that QR code in, and there's the address of my Coinbase account. I'll just send them a little bit of my Solana out of this wallet. Hit next. And there we go. I've sent a little bit of Solana out of the wallet back to an exchange. You might want to do this if you decide you want to liquidate any of your assets at some point. Send them right back to an exchange. And you can see there I've got an incoming deposit of Solana in my Coinbase account. All right, take it a few minutes to confirm, but it's an easy way to send Solana back to an exchange if you wish to liquidate. In addition to that, I can also send Solana to alternate wallets as well. So if I wanted to send some Solana or some Solana-based tokens back into my Solflare wallet, I can do that pretty easily. I can do the receive and get that QR code. And I can send Solana tokens. So if I wanted to send these tokens back, I can scan that QR code of my Solana wallet. Just max it out. Send that across. Pretty easy to do. There it goes. And then you can see that that Inu is back in my wallet. I can also do the same with my collectibles. Right? Same address, basically. In this case, I'll go over to my collectibles. I can tap on the collectible and choose send. And once again, I'll hit that QR code and scan that address into my wallet. All right, and then I'll hit next and then choose send. And off it goes. And after a quick refresh, you can see that the NFT is back in my Solflare wallet. You can send and receive Solana. You can send and receive Solana-based tokens. You can also send and receive Solana-based NFTs. with the Phantom wallet. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click. That will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.